Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this car alignment kit that was sent to me to review. However, like always, all of the opinions here are my own, and the seller had no say in what I can or cannot say. So, this is a toe alignment kit for vehicles that you can do at home. So we got two of these measuring tapes. We have a little instruction manual, these plates that we're gonna put together. And then once we put them together, then we can put it onto the wheel of the car, and we can align it that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick assembling here to get this all ready, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the car. We are done with this part. Okay, so let's say that is your driver's side front, and that is your passenger side front. So you attach these, you take your wheels off and you attach this onto the wheel studs. You run the measuring tape from the driver's side to the passenger side, and they are supposed to be equal in length. So this length here has to be equal to that length up there. So you want these measurements to be equal. So to be the same on the front and the back. Now it's not going to give you 100% accuracy, but it is going to be a great start. If you don't have time to run to the alignment shop, you can do this and you can drive your car for a little while knowing that you're not going to be destroying your tires. So this is a great temporary fix. Okay, so unfortunately this toe alignment kit is not going to work for me because I can't get it to go straight. It's at an angle like this. So there's no way that I can run a measuring tape on this side because it's gonna hit whatever it is that is, over there. And the measuring tape is not gonna go straight through. Now this side over here does sit a little bit lower than the bottom of my car, but it's not completely lower as well. So although it is a great product, it's not going to work for me. But in terms of build qualities, in terms of finishes, it's a great build quality. It has great finish. The metal is very nicely made. However, the one thing that I would zonk is why couldn't they make it in one piece, right? And so instead of two piece, where you have a chance of it, not being straight, if it was made in one piece, that would probably be better. If your car doesn't have a big caliper like mine, and the hub of the wheel sticks out farther than the caliper, then this toe alignment kit would work for you. But if your car has a big caliper like this, where the caliper sticks out farther than the hub, then this alignment kit is not going to work for you. There you have it. That is my honest opinion, and that is it.